Integrity, honesty, fairness, excellence, loyalty. Meron pang kasamang family at saka God. Yung mga nice sounding values na sinasabi ng mga tao whenever I ask during my values alignment workshop kung anong binavalue nila. Di ba? Inspiring set of values. You know what I don't hear? Convenience. Convenience. Nobody is confident enough to say that convenience tops their list of values. Kasi kahit anong pang sabihin mong inspiring values, your action speaks for itself. Your action demonstrates the value that you have. Let me prove my point. Maraming mga tao ang isasacrifice yung integrity, honesty, fairness, family, excellence for convenience. Di ba? Dadayain yung proseso, yung batas, yung rules for convenience. Wala nang excellence, wala na ring integrity. Some people are willing to make other people sacrifice for their own convenience. Makikita mo yan sa traffic and how people violate traffic rules and make it inconvenient for other people just so it will be more convenient for them. Itong matindi. Some people will support corruption, corrupt practices, corrupt politicians because it's more convenient for them. Convenience talaga ang top value ng maraming tao. Masisira yung lahat ng sinasabi nila kapag ipinresent yung opportunity to make things more convenient for them. Like convenient source of money, in. Will it sacrifice your or compromise your value for honesty and integrity? Basta wag ka lang maingay. Ay nako, ano ba yan? Sana maging matibay tayo sa paninindigan sa mga pinaniniwalaan nating values and do not succumb to convenience. Oo, sabi nga ni John Stewart, if you only practice your values when it's convenient, it's not a value, it's a hobby. Di ba? Pagpakatotoo tayo, please.